as we went along into the 20th anniversary, that a good theme to look at would be magazines, because magazines are so much in the news. They are in the news for a variety of reasons. They are in the news for breaking big stories across the world. They are also across the world in great news because of the fact that their demise has long been speculated upon, and also the fact that magazines seem to be, despite their vibrancy and vitality, their mortality seems to be continuously under question, despite the fact that some of the best journalism even today is produced by magazines. So I thought this might be a very good occasion for us at Outlook, as a magazine, as an Indian magazine with a global outlook, to look at all the world's great magazines in a different sort of way. So one thought that this might be the best occasion, having looked at newspapers in the past and looked at general media in the past. We thought that magazines would be just the right way to look at where we ourselves are and where the rest of the world generally in terms of magazines is. What we're getting through this issue is actually a snapshot of Indian magazines and all the world's great magazines. No one is trying to pretend here and trying to suggest that we have covered the whole world. In fact, we cannot cover the whole world. That's why we are a magazine. But what you will find across these pages is a smart new way of looking at magazines, through their history, through their tortuous history, through their personalities, and through their designs and covers, and more than anything else, through the anecdotes that many of these magazines throw up. So you're looking at magazines in a slightly more 360-degree way without really being 360-degree. Younger readers should look at this, and I would suggest to them and urge them to look at this a lot more seriously, because if you do not know where you came from, you will never know where to go. This issue of Outlook, which is the 20th anniversary issue, I could proudly and surely tell you that even several years down the line, you look at some of this journalism and look at these authors who have populated these pages and look at the fact that this is exactly the quality that television and newspapers do not have. While we were casting the content for this issue, I looked at the 10th and 15th anniversary issues of Outlook and several other issues of various other magazines across the world, just to get a sense of what they had done and what we had done. One thought that we should do something really spectacular with the 20th anniversary issue, and therefore what we did was we commissioned separate teams within the organization. The features team, which was led by Satish Padmanabhan, to some extent, the desk to some extent, the design to some extent, the photography to some extent, all put their heads into this. But I think when you look at the composition of the stories within the magazines, when you look at the content menu of this magazine, you will realize that it's not any one person's work, but several people have put their heads and thoughts into this. And when we talk of that, we are talking of people here with great experience. For example, some of our senior staffers have been in magazines for very many decades. Dilip Bob is a legend in our magazine profession, and he was part of our launch team of India Today magazine. So we are looking at people who've been in magazines. We have him, we have Bishwadeep, who's been in magazines for a long period of time, we have Suneet, who's been in magazines for a long period of time, and Satish, of course. So we have a lot of people who've been in magazines for a long period of time, and what you see is the combined result of all their efforts in terms of stories and ideas. And let's not forget that this magazine, as a form, would be completely incomplete without design and photography, and their role in this is huge. When you look at all these, we must be featuring at least a couple of 100 covers of magazines of various kinds from around the world. If that is possible and if that's been accommodated in this issue, it's because of the kind of design created, and because of the kind of work put in by our photography department and our photo researchers who have dug up so many things and put it all in. But at the end of the day, what you have is a strong center that gets reflected in this kind of an issue, where there is one person or two people or three people who have been able to think through the whole thing and to be able to cast it in a way that you have the serious, the sublime, and somewhat the light also. So you have all shades of it, and that this kind of an issue, therefore, at a print level is achieved by this kind of a team, but at a digital level, this is now taken to the next step forward by a digital team. What we have done is certainly not been done by anybody elsewhere. I can vouch for that, but that's not the complete article. There are many things to be done. I hope others will pick this up.